If you are looking for upgrades for your factory air ride equipped Audi, these are one of the first ones you should get. The 034 Motorsport lowering links allow you to perfectly dial in your ride height while retaining excellent handling and comfort. The best part is it's a quick and easy installation, and anybody can do it. Come with me while I show you. Before installing the lowering links, you'll want to make sure your air suspension's in wheel change mode. To do that, key the car on, head into the vehicle settings, swipe over to settings and service, and turn on wheel change mode. To remove the stock lowering links, use some form of a pry tool or pickle fork and simply pry and pop the factory link over the factory boss. Once you've got it off the control arm, it's very easy to simply pry forward and pop off. Now that we've removed the factory lowering links from the vehicle, we want to adjust the 034 Motorsport lowering links to match the factory length. We do so to have an even baseline of adjustment once we install the 034 Motorsport lowering links onto the vehicle. On the bottom, we have the OEM lowering link. On the top, we have the 034 Motorsport lowering link. To adjust it to the factory length, I'm simply going to spin the body of the lowering link while keeping both of the main heads down. I'm going to keep threading this out until it matches the same length as OEM. You only need to snug these down at this point, as we'll do the final adjustment on the vehicle. Once you've completed adjusting the front, you'll do the same process for the rear links, ensuring that you have them clocked in the same orientation as the rear OEM link, where one end is 180 degrees out from the other end. One of the unique features of the 034 Motorsport lowering link kit is the included optional dust caps. These install onto the factory mounting nubs on the control arm and adjustment arm, allowing for a weather-tight seal once the lowering link is installed. Adding these during your installation further enhances longevity and durability in all weather conditions. Now that we have our initial install length set, we'll take the links back to the car with the included 034 Motorsport dust caps. Before installing the lowering link, we'll install the included dust boots. To do so, simply pull over the mounting nipple until it's fully seated, and repeat on all mounting nipples before installing the lowering links. Installation is the inverse of removal. Simply pop over on both taps. Then reinsert your locking pins. Once you've installed the lowering link, to adjust final ride height, simply shorten the link to lower the car or lengthen the link to raise the car. Keep track of how many spins you turn to make sure you're even on both left and right side. Once you've adjusted to your desired length, lock the locking nuts into place on the main link body. Now, at the back of the vehicle, we will remove the rear lowering link starting at the control arm mounting point by using our pry tool to pop it off of the main stud. Once it's off the top, simply pull away from the adjustment arm until it pops off. Then we'll use our 034 Motorsport lowering link and attach in the inverse direction. Once installed, be sure to reinstall the locking tab. Unlike the front of the vehicle, to lower the vehicle in the rear, increase the length of the lowering.
Once you've increased it to your desired length, lock the lowering link in place with the locking nuts.